Hello everyone, so it's now 3:30 a.m. in the morning and we have started out. So today we are going out on another road trip, and this one is on another not so remote but remote location of West Bengal, and it's the town of temples. I mean, that's what it's named at. You will soon understand why it is called the town of temples. I mean, you'd love it. I'm really looking forward to this. So yeah, let's start this. So we are back on the road. As I told you, we are going to Bishnupur. This is called as City of Temples. You will soon know why if you don't know yet. And the route we are taking, it's almost 200 kilometer. So we are expecting to reach by 10 because we are going to take some pit stops, and also we are going to have some stops for breakfast and all. Right now it's 5 a.m. in the morning, and yeah, let's stay with us and see what happens in the road. We crossed Nivedita bridge, and the toll for it was 50 rupees for cars, small cars like us. There were many lanes in there, and only one lane I saw that was allowing cash. Rest of them was like, it was written in bold like no cash, FASTag only. So keep that in mind whenever you are visiting. If you don't have the FASTag insured to your vehicle, please be ensured to take the cash only line. We are up at Krishak Setu, and it's in Bardhaman. Yeah, so just after you take the left from Purta Bhavan, Bardhaman, you will find this bridge. This road is a little trickier because it is a little smaller one, and all kinds of bus and cars and everything is here. So this is a little tricky one. Entered Bakura, and from here we will cross Khandaghosh, Sonamukhi, and then we will enter Bishnupur. So we are here at Sonamukhi, and this is a jungle. If you can see there, it is a full blown jungle, and it's awesome. Like, the silence over here is too good. We had to take a stop here because this is just too beautiful to miss, and we have come with our family. So that's my mom, dad, and there is Shorov's mom is over there in the car. Let me take some footage and show it to you. Arrived at like 11 a.m. Then the hotel manager, he told us that the check-in time is at 12 and we cannot, do an early check-in, blah blah blah. So we had to wait, but that was okay since we didn't have breakfast. We utilized that time to have breakfast. Now we are finally at our hotel. This is the hotel by the West Bengal Tourism Department, and it's pretty good. So let me show you around before I start all the sanitization and everything. So we have just entered. As you can see, this is the door through which you enter, and we have just kept our stuff, so let it be. This is the armchairs that you find after entering, and this is the cupboard, which is okayish for a like 2 or 3 days travel. In the cupboard we have a blanket and our stuff. Then we have these towels and these sanitizers, these are ours, and also these like home slippers, these were given to us from the hotel. Then we have this bed. This is a double bed, and we have these reading lights here. That's pretty cool. We have this huge screen which is also pretty cool. We have this rug here. Here we have a small table with a kettle and then some tea, some sweeteners, some milk, spoon, stuff like that. Yeah, and another ring light. Let me show you around the bathroom. So these are the items that were given to us, like these 2 toothbrushes and toothpaste is also in there, and then this comb and this kind of small soap. And these are the things that we bought with ourselves. Okay, not this one. This one is the one provided by the hotel. And then this, the basic shower. So yeah, all in all a win-win. I really like this room so far, and I will show you when we explore the restaurant. We have arrived at our hotel's restaurant and for our lunch, and this is what we have ordered. So it's basically a fish thali, and we have rice in here and some roi fish, some mixed veg, some yellow dal and tomato chutney. We do have some extra stuff like this potato fry. So that was our lunch today, folks. I liked the food. I mean, if there could be any non-veg sadvik kind of food, that was it. It was not spicy, it was not overly blunt, except that dal. I felt that dal was blunt. It was still tasty. It was fresh. The fish was fresh, the veggies were fresh. Yeah, liked the food. It's not overly restaurant like, where you get like too spicy or too thick gravy, those kind of food, but it was not like that. So you can definitely come here and eat here, and I can guarantee that this kind of food won't make you feel ill. So we are all ready and we are ready to go out after our lunch, and we are going to see the Rashmancho, the Jor Bangla, Shamrai, etc. Let's see whatever is nearby. So it's already 2:30 and we should not waste our time anymore. Let's get to it. So we got our dinner and we have ordered something very light because again the lunch was heavy, and here it is. So it's just some cauliflower veggies with some roti, and since we are outside we had to order something junk food, so we ordered chicken fry and it is still getting fried. Alright folks, so today we have covered most of the temples, those are intact, and the rest of the temples that we have seen on our way to come and go, those are not that much intact or people cannot go in. That's what I felt. So we are going to skip that tomorrow, and let's see what else we have left to see in Bishnupur for tomorrow. And with that, I am going to end today's vlog here. I hope you have enjoyed the session. We are going to see rest of the places which does not include the temples, so there will be something new and hopefully you will enjoy this. So logging off now. Please like, share, comment on this video, and if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Bye.